What's your mineral intake like? What? I don't know, is what most people would say. Most people eat foods which are calorie rich and nutrient poor. As long as their taste buds are happy and their stomach is pushed out, then they are satisfied until the next mealtime. What they feel as satisfying and what is actually satisfying for the body can be two different things. Research shows that 92% of UK population is suffering from at least one mineral or vitamin deficiency. The World Health Organization estimate that more than 2 billion people suffer from micronutrient deficiency globally.
Damn, boy.
This can be for a number of reasons. Poor choice in food. The foods which are marketed are normally stripped of its nutrients during the processing. Modern agricultural practices are promoting more use of pesticide, herbicide, and fungicide, which are not exactly regenerative. A study from 1997 found that fresh produce had an average of 37% less iron and 21% less vitamin A than in 1975. How do you think 2022 is doing? Mineral deficiency could affect us in many ways: hair, skin, immune system, focus, energy, sleep. I could go on. An all-in-one supplement like daily core nutrients could be the answer. It contains high quality, high absorbable micronutrients. It helps with energy metabolism and mitochondrial health. Another great thing is it supplies core building blocks for strong bones and connective tissues like vitamin D3, magnesium, and vitamin K2. For more info, check out shop.healthoptimization.com and use code ROGER for 10% off.